There is a quite amazing story of Udupi Sri Krishna, Part 1. The holy town of Udupi lies on the Arabian Sea in the South Indian state of Karnataka. The town is famous as a place of pilgrimage of Sri Krishna temple. This temple was founded by Srila Madhavacharya in AD 1238 to 1317, one of the greatest saints, philosophers, and religious reformers of India. Udupi Krishna temple is said to have attained the status of Vaikunta, the kingdom of God. Lord Krishna stayed in Udupi in response to the desire of his pure devotee Srila Madhavacharya. Prior to Madhava's advent, town was Udupa, named after Lord Shiva, meaning is he who carries the moon on his head. Udupi derived from Udupa. There was an amazing story of how the Balakrishna deity crossed the ocean from Dwaraka in northwest India to Udupi in the south. The story was illustrated in Madhava Vijaya, the biography of Srila Madhavacharya. Once, during the time of Lord Krishna's manifest pastimes on earth, Mother Devaki lamented to the Lord over her misfortune at never having witnessed the Lord's childhood pastimes in Vrindavana. Mother Devaki entreated the Lord to make her happy and fortunate like Mother Yashoda by showing some of his childhood feats and frolics. Just to give pleasure to his pure devotee request, he changed to a form of a small child and clambered all over Devaki's lap. When Devaki went to churn butter, mischievous child Krishna broke the churn, ate and smeared butter all over his body. He then snatched the churning rod and rope from Devaki's hands. After sporting like this for some time, the Lord again resumed his usual form of eternal youth. Mother Devaki was excited and thrilled beyond measure to see this childhood pastime of Lord Krishna. Queen Rukmini Devi, Lord Krishna's consort, witnessed these pastimes, Lord's mischievous behavior, and childhood features. To preserve the memory, Lord Krishna's wife Rukmini requested her husband for the idol of Balakrishna, the child form of the Lord, Balakrishna with churning rod and rope. Sri Krishna entrusted Vishwakarma with the task of designing the idol. Vishwakarma designed a beautiful idol of Balakrishna with churning rod and rope. Vishwakarma made an idol with holy Saligrama stone and gave it to Rukmini for worship. Queen Rukmini began to worship this deity regularly. Later, after the Lord returned to spiritual sky, Arjuna deposited the deity in a place called Rukmini Vana. The idol, in course of time, being worshipped by hundreds of devotees at Dwaraka. Deity has completely covered with the application of sandalwood paste, and it is believed that the same idol is now placed at the temple. If you see the image of Udupi Sri Krishna, it has churning rod and rope. As a consequence of great flood that occurred at the end of Lord Krishna era, Dwaraka was completely engulfed by the sea. and the sandalwood covered idol of Lord Krishna also got washed away. In the next part of video, we will see how deity reached Udupi, Karnataka, South India from Dwaraka, North India. Sarvam Krishnarpanamastu.